Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been a topic of much discussion and debate in recent years. While there are many potential benefits to the use of AI, there are also some serious concerns that must be addressed. So, in this video, I am going to talk about some potential negative effects of AI. Please watch the entire video to get the most out of these things. One of the main concerns with AI is the potential for widespread job loss. As robots and automation become more advanced, they are capable of taking over many tasks that were previously done by humans. As a result, there is a concern that AI will lead to job losses and unemployment, particularly in industries such as manufacturing, transportation, and customer service. This can in turn lead to economic instability for large numbers of people. Another concern with AI is the potential for its use in warfare. AI-powered weapons could make it easier for countries to engage in military conflicts, and could also lead to a new arms race as countries try to outdo each other in terms of military AI capabilities. AI can be biased and discriminating. AI systems are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on, and if the data used to train an AI system is biased, the system will be too. This can lead to unfair and discriminatory decisions, particularly in areas such as lending, hiring, and criminal justice. Privacy violation may get even deeper. As AI systems become more prevalent and powerful, there is a concern that they could be used to gather, store, and analyze large amounts of personal data without the knowledge or consent of individuals. This means that AI will be using your name, address, credit card numbers, family details, and many more personal information. Since artificial intelligence technology becomes more advanced and autonomous, there is a concern that they could make decisions or take actions that are not in the best interest of humans. There are possibilities for accidents caused by autonomous vehicles and industrial accidents. While self-driving cars have the potential to greatly reduce the number of accidents caused by human error, there is still a risk that AI-powered vehicles could malfunction and cause accidents. There's a need for clear governance and regulations to ensure that AI systems are aligned with human values and goals. AI will have a significant impact on society. This could include changes to the job market, economic inequality, and changes in the balance of power between different groups. As AI systems take over more tasks and jobs, they may create a divide between those who are able to work with the technology and those who are not. This could lead to increased inequality between different groups in society, with those who are able to work with AI having more opportunities and resources than those who are not. AI systems can make our lives easier but also can make us more dependent on them, and if an AI system fails or it's not reliable, it can be harmful and disruptive. As we become more reliant on AI systems, we may become more dependent on them and less able to function without them. For example, if a self-driving car malfunctions, it could cause an accident and cause harm to people and property. If a healthcare AI system makes an error, it could result in harm to patients. These kinds of failures can be especially concerning because AI systems are often designed to make decisions that are beyond human control, meaning that there is a potential for large-scale harm if things go wrong. AI systems can make decisions faster than humans, but there's a risk of not understanding the reasoning behind those decisions and not being able to question or assess them. This is one of the important drawbacks of AI systems. This can be particularly problematic in fields such as medicine, healthcare, and finance where decisions can have significant consequences. For example, if an AI system is making decisions about healthcare, it is important to understand how those decisions are being made and to be able to question or assess them if necessary. Mental and emotional health. The increasing use of AI-powered technologies such as virtual assistants, chatbots, and social robots could lead to people developing an emotional bond with machines. This bond could have an impact on the ability to form and maintain healthy human relationships. If people become emotionally attached to machines, they may have a harder time connecting with other people and forming meaningful relationships. This will have negative consequences for both individuals and society as a whole, as strong social connections are important for mental and emotional well-being. We need to be mindful of the ethical implications of developing AI systems that are designed to interact with humans in a more human-like way. There is also a need of developing AI technologies in a responsible and ethical manner. Social isolation. The increasing use of AI systems and automation in various areas, such as customer service or transportation, could lead to less interaction with other people, which could lead to social isolation and loneliness. There may be less need for human interaction in these areas. This could result in less face-to-face interaction and more social isolation, which can have negative consequences for human well-being. Social isolation and loneliness are growing problems in many societies and can have serious impacts on mental and physical health. Research has shown that social isolation can lead to depression, anxiety, and a host of other mental health problems. As AI systems become more integrated into our lives, it is important to consider how these technologies are affecting our social interactions and to work to mitigate any negative impacts that they may have. Environmental impact. Another possible negative effect of artificial intelligence is that it could lead to an increase in energy consumption, which would have an impact on the environment. The impact could come from various sources. For example, AI relies on data centers and servers to operate, and these data centers can consume large amounts of energy. Additionally, as AI systems become more popular, there could be an increase in the production and consumption of electronic devices, such as smartphones and laptops, which can also contribute to energy consumption and environmental impact. The energy used by data centers and other computer infrastructure is a significant contributor to global greenhouse gas emissions, and the production and disposal of electronic devices can have negative environmental impacts as well. Thus, it is important to develop and use AI systems in a responsible and sustainable way, and of considering the potential impact that these technologies may have on the environment and energy consumption. Political influence. AI systems can be used to manipulate public opinion by spreading disinformation or biased information, or by making automated or near-automated decisions on the allocation of resources or the regulation of industries. The use of AI for political manipulation and disinformation is a growing concern in many countries. AI systems can be programmed to spread false information or biased perspectives, which can influence public opinion and decision-making. Additionally, artificial intelligence can make decisions about the allocation of resources or the regulation of industries without sufficient transparency or accountability, which could lead to unequal or unfair outcomes. Something has to be done in order to prevent this from happening. This may involve regulations or oversight to ensure that AI systems are used ethically and transparently, or the development of AI technologies that are designed to be more resistant to manipulation should be encouraged. Overall, it is important to note that these are some anticipated negative effects, and not all of them will materialize, and also not all of them are inevitable. Many of these can be reduced by proper regulations, guidelines, transparency, and ethical considerations in the development and deployment of artificial intelligence technologies. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video and the topic. If so, please give me your valuable support by subscribing my channel. I would highly appreciate it if you could do it. Thanks and have fun. Bye for now.